Okay, welcome back to the class. As there was some small problem with the problem, just I was missing with the colon point of view in this particular case, and at the same time I was missing with the space here. Okay, we were discussing about the class by setting an instances automatically by using an init method, which acts as a constructor, and self is an instance which helps us to fix up the values for a specific instance variables automatically based upon the objects that we specify here. Okay, so define space, initialization, init method with self, first, last, and this is what which we were discussing in the previous video. Okay, now when I run this particular like I have student 1 is equal to student Shiva Prasad 55 and so on. So this is student 1 as an object 1 and this one as objective. Okay, when I run this particular program now, okay, we will get the output as Shiva Prasad Rutvik Kalmat. Why? Because we are printing only the names of the first student and names of the second student. If I want to print the marks of the first student, I will use std 1 sorry underscore 1 dot marks. Okay, and also print std underscore 1 dot email. Okay, similarly I will do the same for, I will write the same for student 2 and student 1. Just I will change the number here, and when I run this particular code, it will provide me the output as shivaprasad 55 shivaprasad at gmail.com. Okay, shivaprasad at gmail.com, rutvik kalmat 80 rutvik kalmat at gmail.com. It prints the output here. Now let me tell you, I don't want to perform like I don't want to use two different print statements in order to print my first and the last name. Instead, I want to print my complete name at a time. That is nothing but my full name at a time on a single printf statement, on a single print statement. So in that particular case, there is an option where we can perform the operation of like where we can write that particular printf statement in different format, where we have to start by writing the program as like we have to start writing the uh, syntax as open and close bracket, open and close bracket, dot format, dot format. Okay, open the bracket, std1 dot first comma std1 dot last, sorry, underscore 1 dot last with open and close bracket. And now check it out, what is the thing, like it is going to print the output as Shiva Prasad at a time. Similarly for the same statement, similarly for the second one, if I write the same thing by changing the variable values. See, student 1, instead of student 1 I will use student 2 and student 2. When I run this particular program, and it provides me the full name of a student 1 and student 2, and also it prints the output in this particular format. And this is what about the how we can access the instance variables automatically in the program. Similarly, there is one more option in terms of how can we access, like in order to access this full name, we are using this particular thing, right? So, but there is one more option in order to perform the same set or same type of operation, where wherein by declaring the function to a specific operation which is called as printing the full name by using a specific format. So in order to do that, we can also write something as definition space full name with open and close bracket with self as an option with colon, then use the same format here. For example, I will use this particular format. Let me cut it, okay, and let me paste in this particular place. Okay, what I have done, I have performed this particular, like instead of using the print option everywhere, whenever I come across with the print option, it's very difficult for me to perform this particular, format again and again. If I have 10 different student details, then writing open and close bracket may lead to an error message. So I will define the function in this particular class itself by using a specific keyword called as return space, open and close flower bracket, dot format student1 dot first, student1 dot last, or instead of student1 and student1, I will use self here, self dot first and self dot last. Now after this, what I will do here, what I have to do, and student underscore one dot, what we have to write here, we have to write full name with open and close bracket. Why? Because full name is a method or a function which has been defined here, which has been defined in the class. So we have to write open and close parenthesis here. Similarly, we can represent the same for this particular program. Okay, but here you have to do with what you have to do, you have to represent as 2. Now see, what is the change? This is the another method of writing the code in order to access the full name in this particular. You have defined two different methods here. One is init method and the other one is full name, in order to access that particular full name data. And this is what about the some best examples that we can give for classes and objects. And at the same time, here we have gone through with init method, as well as we have gone through with how to define the instance variables manually, how to define the instance variables automatically, and what is the class and what is the object. And this is what about the classes and objects are meant for. Okay, in the next class, let us start up with some more examples in this particular classes and objects, and we can move further with class inheritance. Okay, fine, thank you.